What's good, YouTube? It's your boy E Profit, and I'm back for another video. I am just out cruising around a little bit today. Finna go meet my dog, grab something to eat, you know, smoke me a cigar or something like that, and just chill out. I got my girl out here with me today. She got to stay outside, but she'll be all right. Cruising down Grosse Pointe. Now you know you legit when you cruise down a suburban neighborhood with no problems, no worries. You feel me? But anyway, we finna get ready to go inside this Churchill Bistro cigar bar. Check out their menu, check out their food, see how it's hitting. So it's gonna be a little different of a vibe, but stick with me. Let's get to it. Famo.
Hey, what's up?
That boy said keep it rolling.
Money long.
I had to go get me a cigar, man. We can go over here if you want to. Yeah, I got mine.
Yeah, when the boss man think he taking a picture, but it's really a video.
Don't do it, man. Stay Android. If you're Android, fuck iPhone. I shoot all my YouTube videos with this phone right here. Crystal clear. Look, you're all with an iPhone. You know what it is.
iPhone,
you Wi-Fi phone when you go somewhere too. My phone suck it up right quick.
That's how you eat right here, man. When you eat, that's how you're supposed to eat. Yeah, that went good. Nice little chill spot, man. Got me a nice cigar. Had some good food. Time to hit these streets now. Go cruise around a little bit. I can hear that boy pulling up right now. Well, that bitch look good as fuck from a distance. Skating too. Look at that motherfucker, dog. Y'all come see these rims, bro. Go over and see my nigga, man. Look at this motherfucker, man. Hood classic right here. Marauder, baby. Look at that bitch spin. Them bitches still scarred, they brand new. Well, them bitches still chopped good as hell, fam. Your shit lifted? Yeah, you ain't gotta lift it a little bit? Yeah, that bitch look good, dog. Look at these motherfucking rims, man. Woodgrain, man. Motherfuckers 1-on-1. He the only cat with them bitches in the hood, man. Look at my girl behind you, man. So 03, bro? Mint. You feel me? I just got one question, dog. We talking about hood classics, man. What car stand out the most to y'all? It's a hood classic. The Marauder or 96 Impala? I mean, they all got that street cred, don't get me wrong, man, but this Marauder hit different, though. You feel me? The way that motherfucking sound, man, that exhaust they came with, unmatched. You ain't tell me that shit. I was just talking about that shit a second ago, dog. Two hood classics right there. I need to go skate off on you kind of quick, you see? Man, that bitch look good. That boy got 62,000 miles on it, man. Yup. And that bitch clean. That big dumbass wire with that zero gauge on that motherfucker, dog. Yeah. Hell yeah, bro. How much you want for that motherfucker right now? Niggas ain't nope, nothing. I can't stop doing this shit, man. Marauder fever, nigga. I'm hurt. I used to have one. Riding behind my boy in this clean ass Marauder, man. Classic, hood classic, you feel me? In my opinion, man, it's like only a few hood classics that ain't gonna never die. You feel me? I'm talking about the car that everybody wanted to get from the hood. You know? And that shit started with, like, in my opinion, on top of my list, have to be the Grand National. Everybody wanted the Grand National when I was growing up, man. So that's the first on my list. Second, a 96 Impala SS. Must have. Third, this Marauder, man, that's right here in front of me. You feel me? Hood classics, man. I'm gonna go as far as adding, because I had one, the 08s, 06 through 08 Chevy Blazer SS's, man. You know, them boys went crazy in the hood for me. Die-hard classics, baby. So we finna ride for me, man. Get some content here. You feel me? We'll just go from there. Y'all stay tuned in, my baby. Still out here cruising, man. And that boy slapping over there too, boy. So give me y'all opinion, man. What's the coldest hood car out here, baby? The motherfucking 96 Impala or the Mercury Marauder, man? Which one? Burn, bro, in this Marauder. Finna burn them. Look, cruising down 8 Mile. Station shit, baby. Yo, still out here cruising, man, cruising. And my check engine light that popped on. I was on the freeway doing like 70, man, so that like it always come on when I be cruising, going too damn fast, man. Anyway, I had a good day today, man. Ran into my guy with that clean Marauder on them Woodgrain spins. Y'all ain't never seen that before, man. Ain't no other Woodgrain spins out here, man. 101. You feel me? He got the only Woodgrains in the city. So, but like I said, man, get in my comments right now. What's the coldest hood classic, man? The Grand National, the 96 Imp, the Marauder, man. What y'all think? Leave me a comment. Otherwise, stay locked in. I got more coming, y'all already know. So, like I always say, make sure y'all like this video, leave a comment, share it, all that YouTube stuff, man. Y'all already know. Over there again, it's all good, but y'all stay locked in, man. I got more to come. Let's get to it.